Hey everyone, Josh here with Fresh Start Customs, and today we're going to be using the WeCreat Vision Pro in order to track Santa wherever he goes. We decided to turn the tables on Santa this year since he knows when you're sleeping and when you're awake, and if you're naughty or good. So what we're going to do is we're going to track Santa wherever he goes using GPS location for your kids at home using your early Christmas gift here from WeCreat. This is going to be available on the Vision Pro here, or any of the Vision series, as well as the Vista series. It may not work with the Lumos, but you can always shrink this down to make it work with the Lumos as well. But right now it's slightly just too big for the Lumos, I believe. But with that said, we are going to be making these little signs here. We have 8 different versions of them, and we're going to be making this one with Santa himself on it. And we have a QR code here that's going to use GPS location starting December 1st. This will be active to track Santa wherever he goes. In order to use it, all you got to do is pull out your cell phone here, open up your camera, point it at the QR code, and tap the little icon underneath, and it'll pull the website up. And as you can see, it says come back December 1st, and that website is going to be active with the GPS location, and you'll be able to track his sleigh wherever he goes here. So like this stand here says, it says follow my sleigh in real time. I have 8 different versions of this stand that is available that you can actually print off with your Vision. And I'm going to show you this printing here in just a second. But as I'm talking, you can see all of these different versions with like elves or the penguins. Even Bigfoot has his own beef with Santa Claus here. So with that said, let's go ahead and show you how to print this off on your WeCreat Vision here. So first up, you're going to grab a sheet of material and place it into your machine, and then you're going to open up the software. And then when you have the software, you're going to click import, and you're going to choose your design, whichever design that you choose that you want to print. And then you can edit the slot size if you don't have the correct material. I recommend using the correct material so you don't have to do any editing at all. But if you don't have the correct material, you can edit within the WeCreat Make It app for the slots, but you won't be able to increase the height of the bottom of the sign, which you really should do if you're going to be using thicker material like this. So by default, this is set up for an 1/8 inch material, but I used 1/4 inch here just to show you in the software that you can click split, and then you can split the stand up, and you can increase the thickness of the stand slots just to your material size. That way it slots in perfectly to compensate for kerf. And what kerf is just the amount of material that is destroyed when the laser beam goes around. So with that said, when you hit print, you're going to have to select your material type in the settings. In this case, I just used 5mm birch wood, but it's actually 1/4 inch material. This is the closest option they had on there as a preset setting. And then I did use the preset setting for the cut, but I did bump it up to 3 power since I have the 45 watt model versus the 40 watt model that it was showing. And then I did do custom settings. You can choose whatever settings you want. I'll go ahead and throw up on the screen what the software looks like with the settings that I used. But last time I used a little bit lighter, so I wanted to go a little bit darker. This looks pretty good. You could probably go even darker, but if you go too dark, you can get a lot of soot on there and ruin the QR code. So just be careful the type of material you use for like the QR code so it can read. I used maple material. Birch should work. If you use too grainy of a material, that could mess it up. But as long as you get a nice clean engraving with your settings and your material, you should be able to use your cell phone, scan this, track them wherever you go for the holidays. And then that is pretty much how we're going to track Santa for the holidays with the WeCreat Vision Pro here. If you guys have any questions about the projects or the WeCreat Vision Pro, let me know down in the comments below, and we'll catch you guys in the next one.